The Vario TD Dental is the only program to be used for reprocessing dental instruments. Here is the different stages of the program. Prewash, cleaning, neutralization, intermediate rinse, thermal disinfection, drying. During pre-wash, instruments, up to 6 hours after use and without the need to be pre-soaked or pre-gel, can be washed using cold water for 1 minute. This removes blood protein and prevents coagulation of protein on the instruments. In the main wash, instruments go through an intensive cleaning with a mixture of hot water at 55 degrees Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit, and cold water for 5 minutes together with the use of a mildly alkaline detergent. Thanks to our precise dosing pump, a low chemical consumption is needed, which results in less foaming and reduces the pressure in the machine. After cleaning is achieved, the first interim rinse is performed with hot water where the neutralization process begins. A precise dose of the acidic neutralizer is released for 1 minute to get a pH-neutral surface, and set up a passivation layer to protect the instruments. This feature is unique to Miele washer disinfectors. A second interim rinse with hot water is done. Next step, also unique to Miele washer disinfectors, is thermal disinfection, where hot DI water is maintained at a temperature of 93 degrees Celsius or 199 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. With a A0 value of 3000 and distributed on all surfaces, injector nozzles and instruments. Instruments thermally disinfected provide a high level of safety from sharps infections. Finally, drying occurs towards the end of the program. Once chamber temperature falls below 60 degrees Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit, auto-open feature is enabled, and allow the door to slightly opens automatically. This along with condensed cooled air from the steam condenser dry the instruments by convection. In Canada only, there is Dry Plus washer disinfector version with HEPA filter, for active drying. An extra drying step inactivated after disinfection.